Hello my dear viewers! Toncoin will inevitably go down in price. Let's see why. Look, a post was made on their official Telegram channel with 3 Ton commandments. Do you think it's similar to such principles that will help this cryptocurrency grow or fall in value this year? I quote, Ton, also known as the Open Network, is a third-generation proof-of-stake blockchain. When designing and developing the network, the team of Ton Foundation adheres to 3 commandments that express the mission and philosophy of the Ton blockchain. First commandment. Transaction speed. Quick pause. Last year I won a competition from Unstoppable Domains and they gave me 10,000 credits as a reward. It's almost like $10,000, but I can only spend it on the Web3 domain they sell. But here is the thing, I bought Web3 domains for myself and my projects a long time ago, and I decided to play these credits little by little among my viewers. I cannot send these credits to any account, but I can use these credits to buy a domain for you. So, right now you have the opportunity to win a domain worth 50 credits. To do this, you need to write in the comments the name of the cryptocurrency or token in which you believe the most in a 10 years perspective. Write the name of such a cryptocurrency, the price of which will increase tenfold or more. I will then randomly select 3 winners and together we will buy you a domain or domains for 50 credits. The competition will take place if at least 15 people participate in it during the month. In addition, you can write to me on Telegram and I can buy a domain for you up to $10,000 with a discount of 50 or 70%. The more expensive the domain, the more discount I will give. For example, if the domain costs $10,000, then you will pay me $3,000 in the cryptocurrency and I will buy the domain for you with my credits. If your domain costs $100 on Unstoppable Domains, it will cost you $50 if you buy it through me. I think it's a good deal. That's all, back to the video. The Ton network can support a virtual unlimited number of active users, provide low fees and still process millions of transactions per second. In comparison, Ethereum is capable of processing no more than 20 transfers per second, which is why this network has such high commissions and low transfer processing speed. How does Ton achieve lightning-fast transactions? The Open Network now uses 2 cross-functional blockchains, the master network and the production network. However, if necessary, Ton is able to scale. Under increased load, each of the working network is broken into shards, individual segments with a unique set of smart contracts and account balances. Each shard is also able to split later on, and the number of working networks can grow to a value of 2 to the power of 32. Thanks to the division into more manageable shards, Ton increases transaction bandwidth and demonstrates amazing speed. Well, so far sounds good. Ethereum Killer is on the way and ready to accelerate to unprecedented speeds. This is now lacking. Only speed is not the most important functionality. The combination of speed and cost is very important. I mean that at high speeds, low commissions remain. It's difficult to believe in promises until you test this technology on real examples. Ton has not enough real users and applications in their ecosystem, with which it could establish itself as a fast, reliable and cheap blockchain. A lot of questions are being raised about the network performance at the moment when it begins to split into shards with separate balances and sets of smart contracts. I am not sure if this mechanism will allow seamless user experience. The thing that worries me is that the user experience with shards does not become on par with the cost of transactions. I wouldn't want to trade bad for worse. Continue, the second commandment. Simplicity of user interfaces. The task of Ton is to create a blockchain for mass use. This means that the interfaces of applications and services should be intuitive for every user and not just a narrow group of specialists. Until recently, only techies and enthusiasts who were ready to spend a lot of time studying the structure of blockchains could use decentralized networks. Ton Foundation developers are changing the paradigm and putting a lot of emphasis on application simplicity. Yes, a great statement, but no revolutionary changes have been made yet. Their coin extension is not much different from MetaMask. The principle of operation of decentralized applications does not change much compared to applications based on other chains. Previous statements have given some clarification on how they will change the paradigm. To do this, it's necessary that all the technologies they planned be implemented and work well. It turns out that for the team's claims about ease of use to actually have any ways, it will take a few more years. But not forget that all other projects strive for simplicity in the same way, and in a few years they will also make progress. So far, I see only one confirmation of this statement. This is a Telegram bot for transferring and paying with tokens for any services. This is actually a handy thing that allows you to make payments without commissions. But technically, it looks like a regular centralized exchange embedded in the messenger. There is no innovation here, but this combination of technologies can help ordinary people use cryptocurrency. In 2017, I had experience using a Telegram bot to store cryptocurrencies. Something like $100 was kept there for small expenses. Technically, everything looked the same as it's now with Toncoin. Transfers were free and popular cryptocurrencies could be bought or sold. But one day my Telegram account was blocked for some reason, without the possibility of recovery. This is exactly what Telegram technical support answered me. Of course, along with the account, I also lost access to my wallet. The bot administration did not help with the recovery either. The wallet is lost forever. When we entrust our money to Web2 projects, this situation can happen to anyone. Therefore, their Telegram bot is a step forward for beginners, but a step back for techies. So, commandment number 3. Decentralization. Many of the existing blockchains are struggling with decentralization. For example, the Ethereum network is decentralized well, but pays for it with low speed and high fees. Solana and Binance Smart Chain, for example, are fast and cheap blockchains, but they are badly decentralized. The Open Network is committed to complete decentralization as it provides security and stability, as well as important steps towards a secure and self-governing world. These 3 commandments are reflected in the Ton blockchain. The Open Network combines all the original ideas of Web3, and we believe that Ton has the potential to become the internet of the future. As you can see in the 3rd commandment and summary, everything sounds good. But in fact, everything is a little different. It takes years to bring most promises to life, and current solutions are just Web2 crutches. Well, in the next year or two, I expected a general drop in the value of all cryptocurrencies, and the Toncoin has nothing to help it stay in value for this period. Like most cryptocurrencies, it will fall to the bottom with all other projects in the price. Over a period of several months, it will probably keep its price and maybe even rise in price a little, as the team still advertises the project well. More recently, the project was promoted by the very popular Russian rapper Morgenstern. After that, the value of the coin increased by 30%, when other projects fell in price. It seems to me that advertising to the audience of the rapper gives an influx of money from unqualified investors. This means that in the event of panic, they will only drop the value more due to panic selling. But I'm still interested to see the project in the long term. What do you think? Is this project worth attention, or does it have very little time left to live? See you in the next videos. Bye!